So, new driveway in Surrey. This is a Tobermoor Hydropave tegular in Bracken. So what that means essentially is this is a permeable driveway without the need for channel drainage across the front of the driveway, which would contain the rainwater, which would go onto the hard stand and then go onto the public highway. So this will follow SUDS, which is Sustainable Urban Drainage Systems, which means that each driveway needs to contain its own rainfall within the property. This is due to our flooding when we have these flash floods and all the water goes out onto the public highway. When people install driveways without the correct adequate drainage, all the water goes onto the public highway. And obviously these drains that were built 100 odd years ago cannot cope with the volume because of the amount of hard stands and the amount of hard surfaces there are nowadays. So it is about being responsible for your own rainwater and the public highway so that we don't get blocked drains. So this is a slightly different project. Really looking forward to this. It's going to look fantastic. We are going to move this pier in these bricks. We're going to strip it down, clean the bricks off, and we're going to move it to here. So we've got some symmetry at the front, and this is going to create our opening. All of this is going. We're going to have 2 planter beds down the side, and we are going to have a planter bed at the back. So it's not all just going to be complete paved. We're using the tegular Hydropave. So the tegular is a very traditional block. It's got rounded edges. It's a 3-size block. We're going to do it in heather, and that is going to match the property and give the homeowner many years of enjoyment, and it's just gonna sit well and it's gonna look phenomenal. So we are going to get underway. The first steps we are going to take is we are going to excavate. We're going to pull the bushes out and we're going to excavate this up. Then we're going to have a grab lorry. We're going to take this down up to about 300 mil. It needs to be a bit deeper, and then we're going to put a sheet in. We're going to put some stone down. We're going to put some clean stone, some clean limestone. And then we're going to compact it in layers, and then we are going to use 2 to 5 mil, 2 to 6 mil limestone. That's going to be our screeding course. Edges are going to go in on concrete, and then the blocks are going to go down, and that same stone is going to get brushed in the joints, and that is what is going to permeate through into the underneath of the driveway. So let's get cracking with the job. Let's strip it out and let's get involved. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. Really appreciate it. Hope you like what you see with this fantastic, phenomenal tegular permeable driveway. It's tegular Hydropave, and they are an absolutely fantastic block, as you can see by the rich colours that they've got. So, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, please comment, let us know what you think. and we're going to look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.